just want to tell my story. And on Endlebe, Makezwe. Yo, ubuthakathi, ubuloyi, I don't know, witchcraft is real, guys. Yes, I need help right now. I need help. Not for myself, basically, but somebody has to speak up. Somebody needs to say something. Asikwazi ukuthula njena and watch things fall apart. Because singenawo amandla ukuthi kukhona esingakwenza noma singazi ukuthi singashonaphi ukuze abantu bathole usizo. You know, I was faced with a situation where I lost my baby in the past few weeks in December, just before Christmas. I almost lost my life as well as a result. You know, instead yokuthi kuthiwe water is broke, kimina kwakuthiwa igazi broke, you know, just splashes and splashes of blood. And as a result, I found myself ngiya emergency C-section, bled throughout the hospital, bebecleanana negazi lam from the entrance to the surgery, and I was basically fighting for my life. My baby was also born, but that blood swallowed him, you know, in a way. He ended up fighting for his life as well. And may his beautiful soul rest in peace. He never made it. And I stayed in ICU for a few days. You know, my parents were outside and doctors were telling them, we don't know who's going to wake up, the mother or the child, but we are trying to save both of them. And yeah, uNkulunkulu decided I should come back and still continue to raise my 3 other children. And Lord knows, bebazoba yini Nkosi yami. Yo, I know. I still have, I get those flashbacks, you know, now and then. You know, when doctors came in one by one to see me, I said ICU sengivukile, but wena usisebenzisile, you know, you must thank uNkulunkulu wakho for ukuvusa. You must really be grateful for the gift of life and another chance, because we had to fight hard. Unfortunately, Umdana didn't make it.